Folks, good morning. My name is Rich.White with Guaranty RV. Today I'm going to be showing you a pre-owned 2014 Montana. It's the 331 RLT. Great floor plan. It's a rear living with the island. You've got the big back windows, the ceiling fan, nice entertainment center with a fireplace. It's kind of nice. You have a pull-out desk work area. Of course, got AM, FM, CD player built in, storage, and more storage here. It's got very nice pantry, pull-out drawer, the nice 12-foot double door refrigerator, freezer, Norcold with adjustable temperature. Solid counter surfaces, great storage in your island area. Nice oven, gas grill top, the oversized Whirlpool microwave. Your sink is over here on this side. Nice double stainless steel sinks, Moen faucet. Great place to have a coffee bar too. You've got outlets on both sides. It's got the freestanding table and chairs, two nice recliners, storage over your recliners, storage over your sofa. It's a great floor plan, lots of space in it. The island is movable, which makes it really nice. You can, it straps down during travel, but you can move it around and use it however you wish. Let's go ahead and take a look up here. As we walk up the hall, you've got a nice coat closet. All of your control panels are right here. It's got the rain sensor, fantastic fan. Nice window, gives you plenty of light. Let's go ahead and take a look in the bathroom here. You've got the big oversized shower with the glass enclosure, a vanity, light vanity, linen storage right here, which is really nice. Little hooks here so you can hang clothes as you're doing a shower. Another rain sensor vent or power vent. Your bedroom suite offers a king bed. You either have a huge closet or a place for a washer and dryer stack type if you desire. More closet space over here. This is a huge wardrobe. Windows on both sides of your vent, of your bed for nice cross ventilation. You've got more storage right over here. Real quick, open these up so you can see what we got. Got more storage there, more storage down here. And folks, you can't get too much storage. Go ahead, and you've got another set of drawers over here. Second TV in the bedroom area with even more storage. Let's go ahead and take a look at the exterior real quick. I think someone added this, but this is really nice. You've got a good, nice rail to hang on to going down. Of course, in this size of a fifth wheel, you've got a great storage bay. It's huge. Spot to mount an outside TV if you so desire. It's got the frameless windows. Big electric awning. Propane tanks on each side. Batteries are in the front. Your second propane tank goes right here. Second access to your storage bay underneath with your full docking station right here, exterior shower, your tank, gray and black tank drains are right here, winterized bypass battery disconnect, everything located right there. It's got a ladder to access your roof, and this is a 50 amp storage. Folks, this is a great pre-owned coach. We've got this, several others. Please, if you have any questions, give me a call, Rich.White, 541-521-8914 with Guaranty RV. Thanks for your time.